Welcome everyone. In this video, you'll learn how to mark a group as read on the new WhatsApp update for PC. Whether you're managing multiple chats, staying organized, or simply want to clear notifications without opening every conversation, this simple trick will make your life a little easier. Let's jump right into it. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Make sure you're using the latest version so that all the new features and options are available. Once it's open, you'll see your list of chats on the left-hand side of the screen. These include both individual and group conversations. Next, scroll through your chat list until you find the group that you want to mark as read. It might have a bolded name or a notification badge on the right if there are messages you haven't opened yet. Now, here's the key step. Move your mouse to that group chat, right-click on it, and a small menu will appear with several options. In this menu, look for the option that says Mark as Read. Go ahead and click it. The moment you do, the unread badge will disappear and the group will no longer appear as having new messages. It's that easy. You've just marked your group as read without needing to open it. This feature is perfect for those moments when you want a clean chat list but don't have time to go through every message. It's quick, efficient, and works great if you're part of multiple active groups. If you ever want to reverse it, you can follow the same process and select mark as unread instead. That way, you can save a chat for later as a reminder to reply when you have time. And that's it. A few simple clicks and you're all set. If this helped you tidy up your WhatsApp chats, make sure to like this video and share it with someone who might find it useful. Thanks for watching.